A live look at the White House, where President Biden announced today the U.S. could be on its way to vaccinating 300 million Americans by the fall. CBS reporter Natalie Brand at the White House with the president's latest vaccine plan. Natalie?
Hi, Alan. And in his remarks tonight, notably, President Biden did not repeat his statement from yesterday when he predicted that by spring, anyone who wants a vaccine would be able to get one. But today, he did promise to step up supply to states and also increase transparency with governors, providing a 3-week forecast to help better plan.
President Biden is revealing more details about how he'll expand vaccine distribution.
We will both increase the supply in the short term by more than 15% and give our states and local partners more certainty about when the deliveries will arrive.
The administration says it will purchase 200 million more doses.
We expect these additional 200 million doses to be delivered this summer, and that increases the total vaccine order in the United States by 50%. From 400 million order to 600 million.
Vice President Kamala Harris received her second dose of the Moderna vaccine at the National Institutes of Health today.
The work that happens here has one goal: to improve public health.
The White House press secretary says the president and administration officials are also continuing to work with members of Congress on his $1.9 trillion economic relief plan.
But with Senate Republicans questioning the price tag.
Many of us have said for a long time that anything that we do related to the coronavirus needs to be targeted. It needs to be fiscally responsible.
The Democratic Senate Majority Leader is now threatening to go it alone.
The work must move forward, preferably with our Republican colleagues, but without them if we must.
Earlier, President Biden signed 4 executive actions on racial equity.
And the president's orders that he signed earlier today focused on equity in housing, also ending the Department of Justice's use of private prisons, another one on strengthening relations with tribal nations, and one aiming to combat racism and xenophobia against Asian Americans and Pacific Islanders linked to the coronavirus pandemic. Alan.
A lot of action. All right, Natalie, thank you so much.